We are in Carbonara, 5 kilometers away from Vo, the only quarantine in Veneto region. Carbonara is the town which is the closest from Vo, and here you already see less and less people on the street. They are mostly inside their homes, working or doing their stuff, but they are mostly staying inside. Compared to the other towns in the area, there are way less people outside. The news in Italy are that from Monday to Tuesday, in one day, another 27 people died because of coronavirus. There's 107 people and over 3,000 people are sick right now. At the moment, there are 10 different towns which are locked down because of the coronavirus. 9 of them is around Milano, and around Milano, Bergamo is the town which they considered closing down. And there's only one which is here in Veneto, which is Vo. And this is where I'm going to take you now. The Italian government closed down the schools and the universities, so at the moment there are no schools are open until the 15th of March. All around the country it's like this. The problem is that for Italians this is a terrible impact. All of this is a terrible impact to their businesses, to the tourism. There's no one wants to come here to Italy. The other problem is that kids don't go to school, but what the parents can do, they have to work. Childcare issue, like how they can deal with this if the parents has to work. So most of the problems we have to deal with. As you can see, we are here at the lockdown part. Nothing really changed since the last time I was here. They can't come out, people can't go in. I found a video online of an Italian man who lives inside a quarantine. He was saying they are allowed to go out to the streets and, you know, have a walk or, you know, ride a bicycle and have a walk with the dog, but they have to avoid any kind of contacts. My friend sent me a photo from an airplane, and then she was flying from Napoli. She visited Napoli, and you can see here there was basically no one there. Yesterday, our Prime Minister in Hungary said that there's 2 people who has coronavirus in Hungary. So the coronavirus arrived to Hungary as well. There are 2 Iranian students who are studying in Hungary. Both students recently went home to Iran to visit their families, so probably this is how they brought the virus to Hungary. They put them in quarantine. They have just really like mild symptoms, small symptoms. There are people who are hopeful about the future. When spring comes and it gets warmer, then the virus will die too. We don't know that for sure because this is a new virus, a new kind of virus, so we don't know for sure what will happen, but we have reasons to be hopeful about it because other flus, it's really similar to other kind of viruses and flus, and they don't like warm. Compared to the other kind of coronavirus, this is 79% similarities they have, so we can't be sure. So the whole point is that we have to take this seriously because the government can't focus on every individual person. Obviously, we have to take charge and take care of ourselves. I will upload when there's any kind of news that is important to tell. So, thanks. Bye.